Today, we will be learning how to use some special features in the CultureGrams database. There are two ways you can access information about your chosen country in CultureGrams. You can use the search bar to type in your country's name and hit enter on your keyboard. This will take you to search results that you can click on, which will take you to your country's page. Or you can click on the continent on the world map, in this case Africa, and then click on your country, Somalia, and it will take you to the same page. Once you get to your country's page, you will find a lot of information. If you look at the left of your screen, you will find links that you can click on to learn about the country's history and culture, the people, the customs, lifestyles, and society, including government and the economy of that country. The middle section has a map of the country and some fast facts. It shows the flag of the country. There's a big infographic about the average person in that country. You can click on the official name and listen to how it is pronounced. You can listen to the national anthem of your country. You can also find some data about your country, the current population. If there's any information you get off of this page and you need to cite it, you can easily click on the radio button next to MLA9. On this page, it's at the bottom of the page, and then hit copy citation, and you can paste it wherever you need it. These two buttons up here are very helpful. You can translate the page into many different languages by clicking here, or you can listen to your article. You can have it read out loud if you click on the play triangle button here. You can also download some things to your computer by clicking on this downward arrow. On the right-hand side of the page, you can save the information on this page to your Google Drive, or you can access an easier version of this information if you click on the Kids Edition. You can find other interesting information about your country under More features. You can find lots of photos and videos. You can find a slideshow. You can listen to interviews. And my favorite page is you can click on here and find some recipes. Any page that you visit can be easily translated in the same manner. It can be read out loud. There are other features where you can listen to the language. It's fun to explore all the links. You will be amazed at the information that is available to you.